I think we're entering the neighborhood right now.
I think it's coming up on the right. Is it that one?
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
It's definitely the worst on the street.
It's the worst I've ever seen.
No, we've seen worse. Come on.
I haven't been inside yet. What's going on, Jake?
Hey guys, how are you?
Hey.
How's this beauty looking?
Outside's not terrible. Besides the driveway and the roof, that's all I see so far.
All right, guys, you ready for the grand reveal?
Let's do it.
Oh,
Oh my.
it's gonna hit you right here.
It honestly smells like 5,000-year-old milk.
You know what? Open floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,200 square foot house. The master's off the kitchen, and there's actually 2 entrances, which is really weird. The remaining bedrooms and a full bathroom are on the right side of the house.
What's up with the walls? Rotted walls?
That is,
There's probably a bathroom on the other side. It's gonna be water damage.
looks like plasters.
I think that's the first time I've ever seen a rotted wall.
The kitchen's huge. Let's go look.
Is that fur or is that dirt?
That's fur.
No.
It's dirty fur, furry dirt.
That's sick.
Is this possible to get rid of this? To open up the space?
Absolutely.
You think it's not obviously not loadable?
No, we can just knock this right over.
So if we were to redo this, get rid of this, and maybe run a peninsula or something right here, it's probably what, 10, 12,000?
In that area. Yeah, we shouldn't go over that, no.
Oh, look at this room. This is the fur.
Oh my gosh.
This is the fur room.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Fur time.
No.
Yo, you're walking it.
Oh, it's freak. No. Oh, come on. Stop it. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, Jake, what do you think? About 10,000?
Yeah, it's ugly, but it's small.
And what is that?
Oh, those are termites.
Oh. It's a pretty big bedroom. There's spider webs, there's fur, there's poo, there's feces. The bathroom, I don't even know what happened in there. It's a disaster.
Okay, so
Oh,
the back,
wow.
I can't tell if the yard's big or not. You can't see. All right, Jake, how far
Let's
back
see
does
what
this
we got.
property go? Are you really going in there?
We'll see.
It goes all the way back there?
That's where we're at.
Honey, it goes about 20 plus feet.
Oh my gosh. All right, so what do you think?
It's pretty bad. We got mold, we have termites, we got a bad roof, driveway's bad. I think we're gonna be up around 90, 95.
90?
20 in the roof and the driveway alone.
All right, so 90 to 95. They're asking 440. Let's just call it 100. That puts it at 540. Closing costs would be about 25, 565 break even.
Yeah, it may be a mess, but it has potential for a big profit. Here's what I'm thinking though. Honestly, anyone else is gonna walk in this house and they're gonna run right out. So I think we can offer less.
Like what?
400?
All right, Jake.
All right.
See if we can wrap this thing up. You want to lock it up for me?
Sure, we'll
Go
do.
grab some bug spray.
I'll call you later.
See ya.
Okay.
It's a lot better in here. Hey,
What's
Jake.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, bud? Looks better with that weird, funky wall out.
Much, much, much better. So let's talk layout. Okay, is there anywhere else we can put the washer dryer besides right here?
Nowhere.
Not the closet?
It would take a lot of work. It's a slab. We'd have to trench for plumbing the whole way. Thousands.
The garage?
No, it's
No.
not big enough.
Honey, I said we put the washer and dryer right there.
Looks like we don't have much of a choice. Hopefully buyers don't mind. I feel like the kitchen will look a lot better if we close off this door. I think it's totally pointless.
Okay, what do you think that'll cost? Couple $100?
It won't be too bad. Maybe 400 or 500.
Okay, so you want to do that?
Yeah, the kitchen, I think it'll look a lot more open. All right, now let's figure out this bedroom. So there's 2 entrances to this bedroom.
Right, it's kind of weird.
It's weird. I feel like it'd be much better to close this door off as well, do a nice peninsula over here, and then just have this be the entrance to that bedroom. Okay, so I definitely feel like that's a better layout, and the kitchen will have a lot more space too.
All right, Jake, what do you think it would cost to do that?
I think we get it done for 1,500 bucks.
1,500?
1,500.
Yeah?
Well worth it.
Okay, looks different.
So it's a lot better now that we closed off the door for the bedroom and got rid of the other door. It just creates a much bigger, better kitchen. We created a private master bathroom.
For what it is, it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I feel like now it's more functional because look how big the closet is. All right, you wanna talk design?
You got it.
So, I was thinking we could do something different, and I know we don't usually do brown, but I saw this and I loved it. This subway. We'll keep it simple with white cabinets, simple quartz, but I think this could be really pretty. So you're good with that brown?
I mean, I guess I'm as good as we can be. I've never done it before.
Okay, well, since you're good with that, I was thinking this
Okay.
for the flooring. I mean, check it out. That could be the flooring for the kitchen and this for the rest of the house. We've done it before, similar, in other flips.
I know.
And people love it.
I know, it came out better than I thought. So let's go with it. I think it's a different design, it's unique. The color scheme is a little different, and I think it's gonna be really cool.
Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be.
You know, we've done a lot of houses together and never went anyway, so I love it.
All right, perfect.
It's looking good.
It is.
Hey,
Hey, what do you think?
oh my gosh. Obsessed with the tile.
You nailed it. Good job, honey.
Looks awesome. It's like so unique, but I feel like this kitchen definitely needed this boldness. So check it out with the backsplash.
Oh my God, that's gonna be awesome.
It looks amazing. So last thing, I'm thinking instead of doing the normal like chrome or brushed nickel pull handles, let's do oil rubbed bronze.
As long as it's not brass.
No, not brass, bronze. I think bronze look awesome here because it's gonna bring out all the brown tones.
Okay, I'm gonna finish. Don't step on my tile. You stepped on my tile.
Sorry. My inspiration for the color of the house, this.
I love this.
Let's go bold. Let's go blue.
Blue house?
Blue house.
It's time to talk about a list price. All right, so we paid $425 for the house. We put over $100,000 into the remodel. A lot of money. So the break even is gonna be $560.
Okay.
Good news is comps are in the high fives, even low sixes.
That's great.
Since
That
this-
is so crazy.
I know.
Wow.
So here's what I'm thinking. This house stands out nicer than any one of the areas. We want to blow it out quick. We come in at $629.9.
I think $629.9 is a great price.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job, honey.
You too. Nice work. Well, the house looks really cute.
Yep.
Hopefully we get a lot of people through today. Home sweet home. It is such a cute house. I mean, this is probably one of our biggest transformations ever. And the kitchen flooring, I'm so glad that we carried it into the bathroom.
Okay, it's about time. I'll put the signs up.
Hey, how's it going?
How you guys doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Ireland.
Do you live in the neighborhood, or are you guys looking to buy?
We are local and we're looking to buy.
So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It's about 1,200 square feet, listed at $629.9. So love to get your opinion. Take a look around.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love those floors.
Oh, look, it matches the backsplash. I really like that.
Well, I like the size of the kitchen. That's
And the finishes look really nice on the cabinets.
It's a decent sized bedroom.
I guess this is a master.
Oh, this would be perfect for mommy, huh?
What is in here?
That's the bathroom. Oh, it's not a master bath.
Why no tub?
I don't know.
And this is just awesome. I can just sit here and cook dinner
Yeah.
while you guys watch TV.
Oh, wow, look at that tub. That's beautiful.
Look, you both will have your own sink. I think this is perfect for the two of you.
Oh, look, Eileen, just like the kitchen.
Yeah.
So pretty, huh?
Yeah. It's got a nice patio.
Gosh, our dogs would love this backyard.
What'd you guys think?
Nice.
Loved it.
Yeah, loved it. Is this the master
Yes.
bedroom and it only has a half bath?
Correct.
Well, if you have any questions, just give us a call. All right, guys, have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I think they definitely like it. I mean, the bathroom situation is a little concerning.
Yeah, the whole bathroom thing is starting to make me rethink the list price, though.
We'll see.